Imagine this. You've prepared for weeks. You're at the hospital and ready for your procedure, and then the anesthesiologist walks in with bad news. If your blood pressure is too high on the day of your procedure, they could cancel the entire thing altogether. It's a frustrating setback, but it happens more often than you think. The good news? Your diet plays a massive role in keeping those numbers steady. In this video, we're going to break down the top 10 foods that help lower your blood pressure naturally so you can stay on track for your big day. Now let's jump right in. Maintaining a healthy range isn't just about the day of surgery. It's about giving your heart the best environment to recover even after surgery. Here are the list of 10 foods that you should add to your shopping cart. Citrus fruits. Oranges and grapefruits are packed with vitamins and minerals that may help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Fatty fish. Salmon is a true superfood here. It's rich in omega-3 fats, which reduce inflammation and help lower blood pressure levels. Swiss chard. This leafy green is loaded with potassium and magnesium, two nutrients that are absolutely essential for blood pressure regulation. Pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate these. They are a concentrated source of nutrients that help blood vessels relax and circulate blood more easily. Beans and lentils. These are high in fiber and protein, which help keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure levels. Amaranth. This gluten-free whole grain is surprisingly high in magnesium. Swapping refined grains for amaranth is a total win for your heart. Pistachios. These are great for snacking and have been linked to healthy blood pressure levels by reducing blood vessel tightness. Carrots. They aren't just for your eyes. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds that relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Celery. It contains compounds called halides, which help relax the tissues of the artery walls to increase blood flow. Now, while eating well is vital, data is also your best friend. We highly recommend checking your blood pressure daily for at least 1 week leading up to your surgery. So if you don't have a blood pressure monitor, now might be the time to get one. Knowing your numbers can help you and your medical team make the best decisions for you. Eat well, stay calm, and go into your procedure with confidence. Now that you've got your shopping list ready, click on the next video to learn more tips to help you prepare for a successful surgery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.